Hi guys, have you ever owned this kind of speedometer, Lixada wireless speedometer? This one. Then, after resetting the device, you seem to have a problem that it won't read. So this is a quick solution for you guys. Let's go again to reset. You have to reset your everything. There. I'm using kilometers per hour, so kmh. Then this one. After that, you have to find your wheel size, WS wheel size. It's on page 7 of your manual. So now I am using 29 by 2.1. So I entered the code 2288. So there, 2288. And that's about it. Zero out everything. And there. You're all set. So let's try passing the magnet. Here lang. So let's try. There, it's reading. Voila. See? So I hope this helps, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll help you with your car and bike problems. See ya.